Hello students, welcome to School of Maths, a trusted name for maths knowledge with concepts. Now our second video, we are going to learn today multiplication of any number by 11. Multiplication of any number by 11. I am taking one example. Twelve lakh 4,542 into 11. Normally for multiplications we need table of 11, but here as we are using Vedic methods we will need only 1 to 9 tables. Here we will not use any table. So first step is prefix the number and suffix the number by 0. Prefix and suffix the number by 0 and go on adding the numbers in pairs from right hand side. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Our answer is ready. This much bigger multiplication we are solving in some seconds. Now one more example. Forty-three lakhs 21,432 multiplied by 11. Again first step is prefix and suffix the number by 0. This Vedic maths is conditional mathematics. So for every condition there will be different method. For this is the method for only 11. First step prefix and suffix the number by 0 and go on adding the numbers in pairs. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 0 is 4. So this much bigger answer we are calculating in some seconds only. Now one more example. Now I am going to take greater than 5 digits because there will be carryovers here into 11. First step again prefix and suffix the number by 0 and go on adding the numbers in pairs. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10. So as it is 2-digit number, we will follow only units place and tens place will be carryover. So 1 will be carryover. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus we will have to add here carryover. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. 8 plus 9 17 plus this carryover 18. Again units place we will carry units place and 1 will be carryover. 9 plus 7 16 plus 1 17, 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 13, so 1 carryover, and last step 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 1 6. Yes, our answer is ready in few seconds. One more example I am going to take and we will shift to next method. Again one more for digits greater than 5 because there are carryovers in these numbers into 11. Prefix and suffix the number by 0. Go on adding the numbers in pairs. 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. I am going to follow 1 and tens place 1 will be carry over. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, carry over 1, 11. Then 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1, 12. 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 1, 15. 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 1, 17. 0 plus 7 is 7 plus 1, 8. And we have finished our multiplication in few seconds only. I think these 4 examples are sufficient for multiplication of 11. Now, multiplication of any number by 12 to 19 numbers. Here also we will need only 1 to 9 tables, not 12 to 19 table. One example I am going to take. 23,467 into, I am going to take 14. First step is same, prefix and suffix the number. Don't forget to prefix and suffix the number. And start multiplying 4 into 7. First step is 4 into 7. Go back and add the number. This is called as triangular method or triangulation method. So, we will need only table of 4, not 14. 4 into 7, 28. Go back and add the number. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 0 is 28. So, I will follow only units place and 2 will be carry over. Now, next, again same. 4 6 are 24. Go back and add the number. So, 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 plus, we will have to add carry over here. 31 plus 2, 33. Again units place and 3 will be carry over. Now, next step is same. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Same next step. 4 3s are 12. Go back and add 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 1 will be carry over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So, 2 and 1 will be carry over. 4 zeros are 0. Go back and add 2 and we will add carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. See, this much bigger multiplication we are solving in one line only, and instead of 14 we are only using table of 4. As we are using now or we are learning Vedic methods, we will need only 1 to 9 tables, 1 to 9 squares, 1 to 9 cubes. Now, one more example. Now, somewhat bigger. Here I have taken 14. I will take another number 13. Prefix and suffix the number by 0 and we will use triangulation method. Start multiplying 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. Go back and add the number. 21 plus 0 is 21. So, I will follow units place and tens place will be carry over. Then next step, 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus, we will have to add carry over here. 25 plus 2, 27. Next step, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. We will follow units place and 1 will be carry over. 3 3s are 9. Go back and add 9 plus 2, 11 plus this carry over 1, 12. then 3 4s are 12, go back and add 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 1 16, 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4 4 plus 1 5, and we have finished our multiplication. Now one more example. Into some greater number, I am taking 18. Step 4, 1 prefix and suffix the number by 0. Start multiplying by 8. 8 1s are 8, go back and add 8 1s are 8 plus 0 8. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, so 5 and 2 will be carry over. 8 2s are 16, 16, go back and add the number 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus carry over 2 21, so 2 carry over and 1 units place. 8 4s are 32, 32 and 2 34, 34 plus 2 36. Next step, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 3 31. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 3 22. 8 zeros are 0, go back and add 2, 2 plus 2 4. Our multiplication is finished. See, as competitive exams, in competitive exams you will have to solve many sums in few seconds or many sums in less time. So our Vedic methods in this series are going to help you a lot for that. Okay, now next method. Now multiplication of any number by any 2 digit. Now any 2 digit, we are going to learn in this video, we are going to learn multiplication of any 2 digit. We saw multiplication of any number by 11, then multiplication of any number by 12 to 19. Now we are going to see multiplication of any number by any 2 digit. So I am taking 2,34,621 into 32. Here also I will not need table of 32, but I will use only table of 3 and 2. In conventional mathematics, you solve it by making steps and then you add it, and there are many chances to go you go wrong there, but here there are very few chances to getting your answers wrong because methods are so simple. Now what we are doing, we are going to multiply the numbers, but we are going to multiply crosswise. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, and 3 into 0, 0. So 2 plus 1, we are going to add these two multiplications. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 zeros are 0. So 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 0 is 2. Then next pair, we are going to multiply the numbers in pairs but in crosswise. 2 twos are 4 plus 3 ones are 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Now next pair, 6 twos are 12 plus 3 twos are 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 8 and units place 1. Now next pair, 4 and 6. 4 twos are 8 plus 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 8, 26 plus 1, 27. 34, 3 and 4 into 3 and 2. So 4 threes are 12 plus 3 twos are 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. we have to add carryovers also. Now next pair, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Now next pair, 2 zeros are 0 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 and plus 1 is 7. We have finished our answer. In Vedic maths there is cross-checking method also. That is the gift given to the world by Swamiji. I am going to teach you that also, but in next video. Now we will take another example. Four lakh 53,214 into 42. First step, prefix and suffix the number by 0 and take pairs, decide your pairs and do cross multiplication. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 zeros are 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then next pair, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 1s are 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. So I will follow units place and 1 will be carry over. The next pair, 4 1s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now next pair, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6. 8 plus 6, 14. So 4 and 1 will be carry over. Now next pair, 5 2s are 10 and 4 3s are 12. 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. Next pair, 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So 0 and 3 will be carry over. Next pair, 2 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 0, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. And our answer is ready. So 1 crore 90 lakhs 34,988 is the answer. This much bigger multiplication also we are solving in one line and also in few seconds. All these are time saving methods. Okay, we will take one more example. Into 72, I am taking greater number now. Prefix and suffix the number by 0 and start multiplying crosswise. 7 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Now next pair, 3 2s are 6 plus 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So 3 and 1. Now next pair, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 2s are 4. 21 plus 4, 25 plus 1, 26. I will follow units place and 2 will be carry over. Now next pair, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. Next pair, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 2s are 6. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. Next, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 2s are 4. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So 8 and 2. Next pair, 2 zeros are 0. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. 14 plus 2, 16. We have finished our multiplication in few seconds. All these are time saving methods. Please use all these methods and save your time. Students, use Vedic methods and be confident with your calculations. Please feel free to share your comments in comment section. For more videos on speed maths techniques, please subscribe to our channel School of Maths by Mrs. Jyoti Kazai.